You can try a cold DM outreach na tinatawag. And here's the process. You'll provide the script dun sa brand na na-pre-qualify mo, napasok dun sa gusto mo. I have the process nga pala, which is a paid one. You can check the link in my bio. Now, magpapakilala ka syempre and your offer. So you can see, sabi ko dito, I've added TikTok ads to my current offer as a paid ad strategist. And I'm looking for 2 e-com brands. Bakit ko nilagay ng 2? It's because I would like to add some scarcity. Na parang, uy, 2 e-com brands lang to. And now, I want to pre-qualify them by adding these 4 numbers. My proven product is stuck at 10K. Would want to increase sales. Ready to invest 1,500 ad budget. Now, I'd love to offer my free 2 to 4 week service in exchange of testimonial to build up my portfolio. Bakit ko sinabi yan? It's because wala akong client pa sa TikTok ads and I would like to offer the TikTok ads dahil may knowledge ako doon. Ang problem lang is wala akong makuhang client pa. So that's why I offer the 2 to 4 week service. Just something you'd be interested in. And then, kausap ko dun is yung parang mismong kanilang SMM. Binigay niya sa akin yung email nung kanyang creative director. Now, nag-reply na yung mismong creative director sa akin and yes, I can spend ganyan-ganyan. We've been going. So, di ba, napakaganda. Pasok na pasok siya dun sa gusto kong client. May love pa yan. Now, binigyan ko na siya ng mismong Calendly link ko. And here's sa Calendly ko kasi, bago ka makapag-book ng call, you have to answer the questions na kailangan ko para makapag-create ako ng strategy proposal for you. Kasi kung hindi kita kilala, wala akong alam sa business mo, kahit basic, then I can't create a tailored proposal for this brand. Ayan, MRR, napakaganda. By grow daw. Meaning, anong pinaka tamang-tama doon sa gusto ko sa mga client na ina-offer ko is to scale them. Hindi yung taga-setup lang ng ads. Okay? What is your monthly ad spend budget? Okay, na yan, nasa 7.5 daw. Which is good. 'Di ba? 5x ROAS daw. And ang gusto daw niya is TikTok ads, which I would like to offer sa kanila. 5x ROAS minimum yung kanilang target. So, ending is nag-call kami. Yan, nagbigay ako ng proposal sa kanya, usap-usap. The problem is, hindi ko sila na-close. Hindi ko siya na-close. Why? Hindi ko na ilagay dito sa questionnaires ko or pa-disclaimer na hindi ako nag-o-offer ng UGC. So, yun. The problem is, that's another pre-qualifying question sa akin. Kasi most of my clients, I've been handling more than 10 accounts sa agency client and then 4 direct clients and I'm not handling the UGC. Don't ask me bakit or don't bash me kasi may mga nagbabash sa akin. Bakit? Wala itatest mo, wala ka palang creatives na maibigay client. But di ka nag-upskill, dapat marunong ka ding mag-design. In fact, I'm in 5 years in the field and I'm not even offering UGC and still, I'm getting clients. It's just that nakulangan yung process ko dito. That's why if you will check my website, meron na akong question na or pa-disclaimer na, by the way, I don't offer UGC creation, I don't offer graphic design, and if you're okay with that, then you can go ahead and book a call with me. That's how you position yourself para hindi kayo magkagulo-gulo during the call. Nag-stick ako sa ganyan. And I've been getting clients na sila yung nagbibigay ng creatives for me to test. That's how you can offer your service using cold DM outreach or cold email. Kung bahala sa script no, very irresistible ba yan? Yeah, don't, huwag kang matakot na mag-offer ng free if you know na ang kailangan nila is someone who will make them grow. Kasi kung ikaw, as Facebook ads strategist, no, a media buyer na hindi lang taga-setup ng ads, know how to strategize, campaign, marunong ka magbasa ng metrics, lahat. Kasi sabi niya sa akin, I can run ads. There's nothing hard with that. Sabi ganyan sa akin. And naisip ko na, yeah, anyone can run ads, pero hindi lahat marunong mag-scale ng business nila. And also, if you're a business owner, would you rather DIYing your ads instead of focusing on the store, yung pag-grow at the back end, na hindi ka kukuha ng strategies kasi, madali lang mag-run ng ads eh. But in reality, you don't know how to scale your business using that ads. Kasi they don't even know how to read the metrics, how to read the numbers. If you are someone, you position yourself as a strategist, then I can say na hindi ka nila bibitawan kapag na-offeran mo sila. Let's say, for example, 2 to 4 weeks of service binigay mo sa kanila, di ba? Di ka nalugi doon. Kasi, imagine is this, di ba? 1.5K, tapos ang MRR nila nasa 100K. Napakagandang portfolio na nun, especially kapag napataas mo 'to, 'di ba? Problem is yun nga, natuto na ako, nilagyan ko na talaga ng pa-disclaimer na wala akong UGC. So, it's up to you if you would like to offer UGC or graphic design sa on top of your FB ads management. But ako, hindi. Kung ipilit man ng client, I will probably i-outsource ko sa iba. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video and sana makatulong dahil this is how you can land a premium client who will stick with you forever if you know how to position yourself as strategist and not just as someone who just run ads. Yan. I'm pretty sure na sobrang ibang-iba to dun sa nakasanayan natin na mag-a-apply sa online jobs, mag-a-apply sa Upwork. Ito yung makikita mo sa loob. Pagkita mo dyan, if you would like to learn FB ads, meron din dyan. Pero you can scroll down and you can see the ready to use and how you're going to do the lead generation process, paano mag-script ng emails, paano magparamdam sa Instagram, sa lahat ng mga platform like LinkedIn, ano yung mga prompts, ano yung mga script, the strategy, proposal template, sales call script. So, ikaw na yung bahala dyan. This one is just an example which worked with me and masasabi ko lang is kailangan mong maging patient dito at masipag. Kasi kung kunwari nagganito ka and may 5 ka lang sinendan ng ganito na hindi ka sinisin, ganyan-ganyan, ay naano ka na agad, na-discourage ka na agad, then this one is not for you. So, yun lang and bye-bye. If you have any question, let me know.